Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart and Zap Adhesives, and today we're going to talk about one of our most popular sizes of Accelerator. This is our PT-50. This is the 5-ounce can of aerosol kicker. So what we have here is our part number PT-50. This is the 5-ounce can of aerosol zip kicker. This is probably one of our most popular kickers over the smaller 2-ounce pump, 2-ounce aerosol, or even the larger 8-ounce refill. And I think the reason for that is the woodworkers really like this, as well as some of the modelers that are building a lot of different kits and models and things of that nature. But it does fit nicely in the hand. It's not too big like a big paint can. Like I said before, it is an aerosol, so it does atomize the product very nicely. It is a Heptane based accelerator, so it doesn't craze or attack some of the other finishes, but we do always recommend that you check this if you're working on a finished piece in some unseen area, just to make sure that you're not going to have any additional reaction to the finishes that you have. So if you got any further questions on part number PT-50, this is the 5-ounce aerosol by Zap. Just give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much. Have a great day.